Today I am going to discuss about science. Portion is how to write the chemical formula of a compound. Now, to write the chemical formula of a compound, we have to write the symbol and the balances of the elements. That means we have to learn the symbol and balances of the elements. So some symbols are given here like as now these are the some symbols, some elements with their both symbol and balances. Hydrogen is balance to 1, sodium 1, chlorine 1, potassium K 1, silver 1. Like this, magnesium Mg2, oxygen O2, and calcium Ca2. Then what? Zinc 2. Now another elements like as aluminium 3, then iron, C2, carbon, four. These are the simple element. Now we have to write some symbols of the radicals. Some radicals. Now here, these are the some elements with their symbol and balances. Now we have to discuss how we have to write the chemical formula of a compound. To write the chemical formula of a compound, we have to separate the constituent elements of the given molecule. Suppose you are called write the chemical formula of sodium oxide. Write the chemical formula of what? Sodium oxide. Sodium oxide here then we have to write the chemical formula of sodium oxide. Then there is sodium oxide means one is sodium and another is what? Oxygen. So we have to write separately sodium, that is sodium, oxygen. These are the constituent elements of the sodium oxide. Now we have to write the balances of the element. The balance of sodium is what? Balance of sodium is what? 1. And oxygen 2. Now we have to mind that there is one is metal and other is what? Non-metal. When one metal and non-metals are react, then we have to put the balances with their ionic symbol. So this sodium is metal plus it is the minus. So now we have to cross it. Now we have to cross it like as result is what? Na2O. This is the sodium hydroxide. This is the what? Sodium hydroxide. Now next one is what? Aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride That one. Here the constituent elements are aluminium and chlorine. So we write the aluminium, chlorine. We have to put the balances. Balance of the aluminium is what? Balance of aluminium 3. And it is what? 1. It is metal plus it is minus. Now cross it. Aluminium chloride. That is the chemical formula of the aluminium chloride. Now next one, hydrochloric acid. Next one, hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen and chlorine. Now we have to put the balance of hydrogen 1, balance of chlorine 1. But here there is both the two elements, constituent elements are what? Non-metal. So there is no need to put the ionic symbol. Cross it. That is the chemical formula of the hydrochloric acid. Now next one, magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is the radical. Now some radicals, what are the radicals? Now we have to know what is the radical. Radicals means it is a compound which acts like a single element in a chemical reaction. Now though it is a compound but it acts like a single element, like a hydrogen, like a chlorine. And nitrate, it is also all are the radicals. All are the radicals. So we put here magnesium and hydroxide. That one. Balance of magnesium we know 2. Balance of hydroxide 1. We have to cross multiply. Then magnesium 1, no need to put 1, and that into that means this 2 is for oxygen and this 2 is also for hydrogen. So we put here bracket, that is the magnesium hydroxide. Thus we can write the chemical formula of the given compound. Now we have to discuss about the molecular mass of an element. Now what is called the molecular mass of an element? Molecular mass of an element means what? The sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. The sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule is called the molecular mass of that element or that substance. Now, suppose we have to find the molecular mass. We have to find the molecular mass. Find the molecular mass of H2 means what? Water. Find the molecular mass of water. Now, according to formula, sum of the atomic mass of all the atoms present in the molecule. If this right, then we can write molecular mass of hydrogen. Molecular mass of not hydrogen, water, equal to, here you see these two means the two atoms of hydrogen. Number of atoms is what? 2. Number of atoms is what? 2. No. And so we can write as equal to 2 into plus no, molecular mass of hydrogen is equal to 2 atoms of 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus what? Atomic mass of the oxygen. There is sum of the atoms, sum of the atomic mass of the all atoms in the present in the molecule. Here you see atomic mass of hydrogen. There is number of atoms is what? 2. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus there is no number, so atomic mass of the oxygen. Now you see here atomic number, the atomic number of an element or an atom we get from the modern periodic table, and the atomic mass is generally 2 times of the atomic number. Atomic mass is generally 2 times of the atomic number, generally, but not in every case. Here you see 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen. In that case, but atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So I use the word generally. 1 plus atomic number of oxygen, atomic mass of oxygen. Generally, the atomic number of oxygen, if we count the periodic table, then we get atomic number of oxygen is 8. But 2 times of 8 equal to how much? 16. Atomic mass unit. This 18 atomic mass unit, for this they use U. Now this is the molecular mass of the water is 18 U. Now when the molecular mass for substance is expressed in gram, then it is called the gram molecular mass. And when the like this, when the mass of atom is expressed in gram, then it is called the atomic mass, gram atomic mass. Now we go to the point mole concept. It is a very important chapter, important part for the chemistry and also basic part. If we know the mole concept, then we can easily understand the fact of the chemistry. So we have to discuss about the mole concept. To explain the mole concept, we have to draw a chemical reaction. You see, when hydrogen reacts with oxygen, then it forms water. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, then it forms what? Water. Now, at the end of the reaction, we have to balance it, equivalent it. No. Now, if we make it equivalent, then you see here, left left hand side and right hand side. In left hand side, number of hydrogen atoms, that means simple number of hydrogen 2. In the right hand side, number of hydrogen 2. It is okay. And left side, number of oxygen 2, but here number of oxygen is what? 1. So we have to make it equivalent. To make there 2 number of oxygen is 2, so we put here 2 to make the number of oxygen 2. Now number of oxygen 2 okay, and number of oxygen 2 okay, but for the hydrogen, number of hydrogen 2 to the 4, but there is only 2, so we put here 2. Thus we make the equivalent. No, both left hand side, left hand side and the right hand side. Now this chemical reaction gives us number 1. What this gives us? Number 1, here you see a part. That is the molecule. That is the molecule, means H2 is a molecule. Then, in terms of molecule, molecule of hydrogen combined with one molecule of oxygen to form the 2 molecule of water. Now it is the molecule. And it is molecule. So here is this molecule. How many molecules? 2 molecules of water. And how many molecules of oxygen? 1 molecule of oxygen form 2 molecules of water. So we can write here 2 molecules of hydrogen, 2 molecules of hydrogen, combined with 1 molecule of oxygen, combined with 1 molecule of oxygen to form 2 molecule of water. Here 2 molecules of hydrogen combined with 1 molecule of oxygen to form 2 molecule of water. This is the first point. That means we get from the first topic the first one, number of molecules. Now you see here, point B, in terms of atomic mass, there is 2 2 into 2 into 1, it is what? For hydrogen. For hydrogen we can write this 2 is outside, that 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1. It means that is 2 to the 4 U. 4 U of hydrogen molecule combined with that one means what? 2 into 16 U, that is 32 U of oxygen molecule to form last result these two, that one, 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus oxygen means atomic mass 16 U, that is how much? 18 into 2, 36 U of water molecule. Yes, here 4 U of hydrogen molecule combined with 32 U of oxygen molecules to form 36 U of water molecule. It is the point B. This is we have from the above reaction. That means here it tells us U means atomic mass. So number B atomic mass. Now this number of molecules or the atomic mass is expressed like as a quantity of a substance. This number of molecules and the mass, atomic mass or molecular mass, what may be it, but this mass is expressed in quantity of a substance. So we can mention like as the quantity of a substance can be characterized by its mass. The quantity of a substance can be characterized by its mass or its number of molecule. But we know directly atoms or the molecules take part in the chemical reaction. So it is more convenient to refer the quantity of the substance in terms of number of molecules or atoms rather than mass. And so the scientist put a new word or unit which is called mole. Thus mole can be expressed. Here, one mole can be converted in what? Atomic mass or the molecular mass of the given element or atom. Now you see here, one mole means what? Generally, 1 mole can be converted into what? Atomic mass. Atomic mass. Atomic or molecular mass? Atomic mass or molecular mass in gram. 1 mole for 1 mole, that is 1 mole can be converted atomic mass or molecular mass in grams. It is the what? In terms of mass. In terms of mass. Second one, 1 mole is equal to a fixed number number of atoms or 23 number of molecules. Thus, and this the fixed number is called the Avogadro number. Now, it will be clear when we do some mathematical problems. These are question is what? Find the calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of water molecule. 0.5 mole of water molecule. Very easily you can solve this one. No? Applying your mind. Here we have to know what was two words, mole and the mass. Magically you can solve it. Mole and mass. So try to understand. For mole we can put 1 and for mass we have to find the molecular mass of the gram molecular mass of the given element. Two factors are given here. For mole we can put 1 and for mass we have to find the molecular mass of the given substance in grams. So we can proceed like as there is mass, so we have to find the molecular mass. Molecular mass of water molecule is what? H2O. Water molecule is what? H2O. So molecular mass of water in gram, 18 gram. It is the original figure. It is the original figure because it is got from the water molecule. And 4 mole 1. 4 mole 1. Now from these two factors, it is mole 1. From these two factors, we have to find mass. When we have to find mass, then we have to start by the what? Next, that means terms. We have to find the mass, so we have to start mole. But this mole is it is not the original. For mole, we have to put 1. So we can write as 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram. 1 mole of this mole is another one. Original for mole 1. 1 mole of water equal to 18 gram. 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram. So later on 0.5 mole of water. 0.5 mole of water is equal to 18 into 0.5 gram. That means 9.0 gram. 9 gram. That is the mass of 0.5 mole of water. 9 gram. calculate the number of mole for 22 gram of carbon dioxide. Now we have to note what factors are given here. This type of sum is like as a mathematical problem. I use to solve this problem by unitary system applying the mathematical knowledge, but not I use here the for chemical system. So here two factors. What factors? It is the mole, and other is what? Mass. Gram means what? Mass. So far, when there is gram, then we have to find the molecular mass of the given element in gram. So we have to write the carbon dioxide equal to carbon dioxide means what? 4 carbon, originally atomic number carbon, what? Carbon dioxide. Now carbon dioxide 12. If we count the atomic number of carbon 6, 2 times 12, 2 into 16. In gram, it is the what? Mass of the carbon dioxide is 44 gram. It is original figure obtained from the carbon dioxide, and another is what? Formula 1. Now we have to find the mole, so we have to start by mass. We have to find mole, so we have to start by mass. Find mole, we have to start mass. When we have to find that one, we have to start by that one. So 44 gram of carbon dioxide equal to how much mole? 1 mole. 1 gram of carbon dioxide equal to that mole. Therefore, given 22 gram carbon dioxide is equal to how much? 0.5 mole. 0.5 mole. Now there is no time. Another 2 problems I want to teach you today, but time is very short. So next day I will try to explain about the other 2 types of the problems. Okay.